What does Amit Shah's son do? What does Rajnath Singh's son do? No, but I'm asking you the question. You're talking about dynastic politics. Last I heard, Amit Shah's son is running Indian cricket. So, please be objective. Look at the leaders in the BJP and ask yourself the question what their children are doing. And you'll find that many of their children, Anurag Thakur, many of their children are dynasties.
Sir, like in my first question you haven't answered, like how challenging it is for the Congress to keep their position intact as far as 2024 elections are also concerned.
I'll answer your question. If you look at the states where we're fighting elections, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and Mizoram, we're going to win in every single state. So it's not, I'm actually surprised, it's not challenging, because when I go to Madhya Pradesh, I see a huge upsurge against the BJP. When I go to Chhattisgarh, I see huge support for our government's work there. The same in Rajasthan. So the people who are going to be having to hold on to their position is the BJP and not us. And I think if you look carefully at the opinion polls, you will find support for what I'm saying. But I'm confident that the Congress party will do very well in these elections. I think there is a general tendency to underestimate the Congress party, you know. And the Congress party is very strong in Mizoram. As an idea, it is very strong, and I think it will do well.
Last question.
So I'm Javed. I write for the Week and Manorama, and I'm a voter of Wayanad constituency. So yesterday in your speech you mentioned that Manipur has become two states, and one of the main demand of the Kuki community is a separate administration. According to them, separation is the only solution. What is Congress Party's stand on this demand?
Look, my point yesterday was that it is the first time in my political career that I have been to a state and literally when I went from one area, from a Kuki area to a Meitei area, no Kukis could come with me, and when I went from Meitei area to Kuki area, no Meiteis could come with me. So my point was that the politics of division and the politics of hatred has created a division in the state, and that division needs to be repaired. The hatred that the BJP has spread needs to be removed, and bridges need to be built between the two communities. That was my point about Manipur, and I framed it by saying that the idea of India, which is respect, love and affection between communities, has been destroyed in Manipur by the BJP. And that idea of India, where people respect each other, have affection for each other, needs to be repaired. That was my point.